California, it's my home and you want to do something to help. I just felt compelled.
North to northwest.
Help out the community, better myself, be a good role model for my friends, family, and just make a better impact in the community as a firefighter.
I've driven past fires on the freeways. It's just crazy, and I don't want to like stand by. And it's close to home, and I really want to help.
Because yesterday we didn't get all of them.
We've got a bunch of certifications, so for like the past 3 weeks, we were in the classroom learning a lot of information.
You kind of pick it up as you go, and just having other people next to you helping you, it makes it a lot easier.
It helps to know your 10s and 18s. Once you memorize those, you can always refer back to them.
The captains are really there for you, like explaining everything to you, and
there's always more to learn,
A little bit nervous, but excited. We're all ready to rock and roll and just get it done.
I'm looking forward to being able to work as a team, and it is exciting to work in a group and like be bonded and like have that communication. We got it down. And
we're getting better, we're getting stronger every day, and gonna push ourselves and just be better than we were before,
It's a fantastic opportunity.
Pomona 1.